With rising energy costs and growing environmental concerns, more homeowners are considering solar power as a way to save money and reduce their carbon footprint. But is solar the right option for you? In this video, we are going to go over some of the key factors to consider when deciding whether to invest in solar energy or not. Here at The Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to check out our solar tool in the description to calculate how much you could save at your address by switching to solar panels. All you need to do is enter your home or business address, select your property type, then select your estimated average monthly electric bill, and that's it. Our tools will calculate the upfront cost after incentives, 20-year benefits, tax incentives, the total 20-year savings, and how many years it will take for you to get paid back from installing your panels. You will also be able to see the savings no matter if you're looking to buy, lease, or loan your solar panel system. You can get all of this plus a free quote over at theenergyprofessor.com. What are the benefits of going solar? Number 1. Lower energy bills. Solar panels can significantly reduce or eliminate your monthly electric costs. How much will depend on the size of your system and energy consumption. Number 2. Environmental impact. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By going solar, you contribute to a more sustainable future. Number 3. Tax incentives and rebates. Federal and state programs offer financial incentives like the Federal Solar Tax Credit, which will reduce your installation costs by up to 30%. Many local utilities also provide rebates or net metering programs to further increase your savings. And number 4. Increased property value. Homes with solar systems often sell for more money. This is because buyers are attracted to more energy-efficient features in homes. Now here are some of the key factors to consider before switching to solar. Number 1. Upfront costs. While solar panels have dropped significantly in recent years, the initial investment will still be substantial. However, financing options like solar loans or leases can make it affordable. Number 2. Location. Solar panels are most effective in areas with abundant sunlight. If you live in a region with frequent cloud cover or shading from trees or nearby buildings, your system's performance may be reduced. Number 3. Roof suitability. Your roof condition, size, and orientation all impact the feasibility of installing solar panels. A south-facing roof with minimal obstructions is ideal for a solar panel system. Number 4. Energy needs. Evaluate your household's energy usage to determine the right system size and your potential savings. So, is solar right for you? Solar energy can be a great investment if you want to lower your energy bills, increase your home's value, and support renewable energy. While the upfront costs can be high, incentives and financing options make solar more accessible. However, if your home isn't well suited for solar, or your energy usage is low, the savings can be minimal. Ultimately, going solar is a long-term commitment that can deliver financial and environmental benefits. If the conditions align, it is a decision that you're unlikely to regret. If you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.